Hi everyone, Mr. A here, and today I'm going to show you how to fill out your 2020-2021 NWEA data review form. As you can see on the form here, we have three different columns for data. We have the winter 2020 column right here, and then we have the fall 2020 column right here, and we have the winter 2021 column on the very far right, so the last column on the form. We are not going to fill out the winter 2021 column at this time. We will fill that out after we take the winter assessment this year. So we're going to now show you a simple data form, and we'll take the numbers from the data progress report and put them into this form, and then with this information you can then answer the questions on the second page. So I'm going to transfer over to the form. So this is a sample data form, and we're focusing on these bars of information right here that I just highlighted. Okay, this is the information that we need right here. So we're going to start out with the winter 2020 set of bars. That is this set of bars right there. And all we're focusing on is the darkest bar on your report, or the blue bar that's in color here on my report. So I am going to add this number right here, 253, to the data form underneath the winter 2020 column. So I'm going to add this number right there, 253. Okay. Next, I'm going to add the fall 2020 RIT score, which is 248. Okay, I'll add that next to the number I just put in the form, right there. Okay, now I'm going to subtract the fall 2020 score, okay, and the winter 2020 score, as indicated right here in the directions. So 248 minus 253. Okay, and that difference is -5. So this data shows a negative growth from the winter test to the fall test. Okay, now for the shaded box that's underneath the -5, we're going to look at this striped bar on the report, okay, which is the projected growth for the next test. That's this number right here, 253. So I'm going to put that number right here in the shaded gray box. Now, to finish the table, we're going to fill in the goal performance levels. And there are 5 categories: number sense, computation, algebra and functions, geometry and measurement, data analysis, stats, and probability. And we're going to find those goal performance areas on the report right here. Okay, so all we have to do is transfer these 5 levels to the report, to the data form. So I'm going to just do that right now. I'm going to circle the appropriate one. You could also highlight if you want to. So these are all at the high level. So I'm going to mark them all at the high level. And you would mark yours according to your data. And that's how we complete page 1. Now for page 2, we're going to start out. You're going to start out, and you're going to make a graph of your scores. So if I was going to do that for this report, remember your winter score was 253. Your fall score was 248, and we did not know what the winter 21 score was. So we can then graph these results, and then we can make a comparison when we get the winter 21 score. So it looks to me like each mark is 10 levels. So 253 would be a little bit like right about there. Okay, so I'll shade that in later. And the winter, or the fall 20 score was 248, so it's going to be just a little bit below there. So I'm going to mark it across right about there. And then I can take my pen and I can color in those areas. There's the winter one. It doesn't have to be perfect. And here's the fall one. All right. And then finally, we're going to answer these questions comparing your data. So we're going to answer only the fall 2020 question for question 1. You're going to answer that in complete sentences. And then do the same thing for question number 2. And that is going to be all we're going to do for this data form at this time. We will come back and complete this form after the winter NWEA assessment. So we will follow up with it then. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. And good luck filling out your data. And hopefully you can find some trends and answer the questions appropriately. Have a good day. Take care now.